So this is a look I created for Valentine's, and I hope that you like my full face glam tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. So if you're ready, let's get on with the tutorial. Today is a Valentine collab with my friend Sabrina the MakeupMom. We both are huge makeup lovers, so please go show her some love and lots of support. I will leave her video link down below. She created such a beautiful look, so go check her out, please. Before I go in with my primer, I will be using my Slay All Day in the scent Cucumber. Note to self, keep your mouth closed when spraying. It's just not really tasteful. I'll be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, which is one of my favorite matte primers. I will be putting that all over my nose and my forehead because that is my oiliest spot. Since I get dry around the cheek area and my chin, I'll be going in with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Now this does amazing for me, especially in the winter time where I'm extremely dry. You know, I wanted to add a little bit of glow to my face, so I took out the Cover FX Enhancer Drops, and this is in the color Blossom. I have been using this and I am totally in love and I highly recommend it. Then I'll be going in with my Too Faced color Golden Beige, and I really love this foundation because it's a very full coverage foundation that gives me the look that I'm always trying to reach, and it really goes on smoothly and it's just the right color for my skin tone. So I highly recommend this foundation if you don't have it in your collection already. I also forgot to mention that I am using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend out my foundation. So I prep my brows off camera so we can start with the eye look. Now I'll be using the Morphe E28 brush, and then I'm going to be going in with this beautiful stunning palette by Coastal Scents. This is the Painted Lady, and I'll be using that pink color there and apply that in my crease. And just don't forget to blend it out just so that you have a nice flawless eyeshadow look to your eye. Now I'll be taking my crease brush from Avon, and I'm going to be applying that pink color in my crease. And you want to make sure that you blend it out just so that you don't have any harsh lines. And yeah. Now taking that E28 brush, I'm just going to blend out those two colors. So I pulled out an oldie but goodie. This is the She palette by ColourPop. I'm going to be using that pink color using my crease brush. The key to my eye looks is that I blend so much, and I highly suggest that when you put some eye looks like this, that you just blend. So I decided last minute that I was going to do a cut crease, and I'll be using my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the color Light Sand, and taking my Morphe PK45 and applying that cut crease with that. As you can see, I am pulling some from the Doe Fleur applicator and just putting that on my eyelids. Now take your time in this part just because you don't want it to mess up. So yeah, when you practice, it will become perfect, so don't worry. So I found a loose shimmer eyeshadow that I had in my drawer, and it's a very beautiful shimmer pink. So I'll be applying that on the lid, and I'll be taking a flat shader brush that I bought on Amazon and applying that on my lid. So take your time with this as well. This palette was sent to me by Candy for Beauty, and it is a beautiful glitter palette, and I am just pleased that I was able to get it. So I'll be picking up that pink shimmer and applying that all over my lid. I want it to just really pop. I felt like that using my finger would give, you know, that full control, and I really like how my lids came out using this beautiful shimmer. So I'll be zooming in so that you could see how popping that color looks on me, and the formula is amazing, so I highly recommend this product. I'll be using the Essence Fine Liner in the color black. I wanted to just really wing it out and just give it that extra pop on my eye look. So just be careful with the glitters just because it does kind of skip, so you want to take your time with that. So you could see how I am just taking my time with applying the liner. Now I'll be applying the Tape Shape Concealer under my eyes, and I will be taking my Real Techniques little purple beauty blender. I love how this works and how I can just really blend out that concealer underneath my eye. It's very precise, and it is just an all-around amazing little sponge, so I highly recommend that as well. Whatever product is left over on the sponge, I just take that on the bridge of my nose and I just highlight that area as well, and above my lips and on my chin, just to kind of give it that subtle highlight and not overpower it with a lot of concealer. I am adding some concealer. I'm adding 3 dots on my forehead just to kind of highlight that area as well. So using my sponge, I'm just going to blend that out. I discovered the Laura Mercier translucent powder over a month ago, and now I am just using it every day, and I'm just packing that underneath my eye. I'm not doing too much, but I am baking as well in the areas on my chin and my bridge of my nose and my forehead. So it's an amazing product, and I just really love it. Taking my angled contour brush, I will be going into my new palette that I received in the BoxyCharm, and that is the Pure Cosmetics. Look at that bronzer, and by the way, it is super pigmented. You'll see how much product I applied on my cheek, and I did not like dig my brush in there, but I am totally surprised. You can see my reaction. I am just floored. And whatever product I have left on my brush, I'm just going to contour on my forehead and on the side of my face. As you can see there, I am just adding whatever I have on my brush. Now taking the Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso, I am going to be applying that on my apples of my cheeks, and hopefully it will really kind of calm down that contour that I added on myself. I also forgot to mention that I'm using the Morphe RG8, which is a very beautiful fluffy brush, and I really love it. So I have this tapered highlight brush, which is from the Ipsy B36 brush, and I'm going to be applying that beautiful shimmer that came into the Pure Cosmetics palette in the BoxyCharm, and look at that glow. Babe, I am glowing. Don't forget to highlight the bridge of your nose just to make it pop, and also on your Cupid's bow. That is very important, and don't forget your chin as well. Now I think that you probably forgot that I had to do my waterline, but I didn't forget. I just decided that I was going to do it at this time. So I am adding my Lord & Berry eyeliner and then applying my ColourPop. I can't remember the pink shade, but I'm going to apply that on my waterline as well, just to smoke it out. So this is the first time using the NYX lip liner in the color Purple Rain. I'm going to apply that on my lips and just line it so that I can have a long-lasting lip color throughout the day. Now I'll be going with the Wander Beauty in the color Barely There. This was sent to me by Allure for subscribing to their monthly subscription, and it's a very cute little mini lipstick, and I love this formula, and the color is just stunning. This is the full face glam look. I hope that you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. So let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. So I'll see you later. Ciao, guys.